Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let us start. To do this trend, open any editing application. I'm using CapCut application. Now click on New Project and add your photo. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust the photo to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set the photo to time duration of 4.8 seconds. Now click on plus icon and go to stock video and add black background. Apply the background to full screen. Now set this background to the time duration of 2.2 seconds. Now click on plus icon and add your 7 photos. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Choose font and style, and place the text. Now apply text layer to first photo. Now add text on black background. Now apply text layer to second photo. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.